tactical walking stick is not as common as regular walking sticks or trekking poles. However, there are trekking poles and walking sticks marketed towards hikers and outdoor enthusiasts that have features that could be considered tactical. These features typically focus on durability, multiple functions, and being easily carried. Collapsible or folding walking sticks are easy to store in a backpack when not in use. Walking sticks with integrated survival tools such as a compass, fire starter, or whistle can be helpful in emergency situations. Tip: the tip is usually made from tungsten steel or carbide for durability, and can be used for self-defense or breaking glass. Handle: the handle may be made from rubber or foam for comfort, and may have a built-in compass or other survival tools, multi-tools. Many tactical walking sticks also have a number of built-in multi-tools. RHINO RESCUE First Aid Kit is a company that specializes in first aid and tactical medical supplies. They offer a variety of first aid kits, including individual first aid kits, IFAK, which are designed to stop serious bleeding until medical help arrives. RHINO RESCUE Tactical Trauma Kit. This kit includes 11 essential items tailored for traumatic injuries, particularly useful in severe bleeding scenarios. RHINO RESCUE IFAK First Aid Trauma Kit. This kit includes a wider variety of supplies than the Tactical Trauma Kit and is designed for a wider range of injuries and medical emergencies. To RHINO Rescue EDC Trauma IFAK. This is a compact and lightweight IFAK that is perfect for everyday carry. The specific contents of each kit will vary, but they typically include some of the following items. Caveman Grill Mini is a portable charcoal grill designed for camping and tailgating enthusiasts. It's known for being particularly lightweight and foldable, making it convenient to carry around. Ultra-portable. Folds down to just a half-inch thick, making it one of the lightest foldable grills available. This makes it perfect for backpacking, camping trips, or tailgating where space is at a premium. Durable construction. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Adjustable cooking grate. Allows you to control the distance between your food and the heat source for perfect grilling results. Easy to use. Simple assembly and disassembly make it a breeze to set up and take down to just a half-inch thick, making it Gerber Gear Stakeout is an 11-in-1 multi-tool designed for campers and outdoor enthusiasts. It is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks: opening cans, prying, cutting, screwing, wire stripping, bottle opening, slicing. Paracord cutter. Tent stake puller. The stakeout is made from stainless steel and features a plain edge blade. It also has a carabiner clip, so you can easily attach it to your backpack or belt loop. 11-in-1 multi-tool. Stainless steel construction. Plain edge blade.
Carabin clip.
Compact and lightweight. Design. The size and weight of the tool. It is a compact. VSSL Camp Supplies is a compact emergency and outdoor survival kit packed into a military-grade aluminum canister. It's essentially a multi-tool for survival situations, containing over 70 essential gear pieces. Compact and lightweight, the VSSL Camp Supplies is designed for portability. It measures only 9 inches long and 2 inches in diameter, and weighs around 1 pound. This makes it easy to stash in your backpack or clip it to your gear. Durable construction. The canister is made from high-grade, anodized aluminum, which is built to withstand harsh weather conditions and rough handling. Waterproof. The VSSL Camp Supplies is sealed shut with a rubber O-ring, keeping its Greeshow Portable Water Filter is an electric water purifier that is specifically designed for outdoor enthusiasts and survival situations. Fully automatic. Unlike hand pumps or gravity filters, the Greeshow filter only requires you to press a button and wait. This is especially convenient when you are tired or need to focus on other tasks like setting up camp or cooking. Fast flow rate. It boasts a super-fast purified water flow rate of 700 milliliters, 23 ounces, per minute, which means you won't be waiting long for clean water. Long battery life. With a built-in 2,800 mAh rechargeable battery, a single charge can purify up to 168 L, 5,681 ounces, of water, which is enough to last 10 to 15 days depending on usage. CRKT Hunt N Fisch Fixed Blade Knife is a practical and compact fixed blade knife designed by Larry Fischer. Sadly, Larry lost his courageous 14-month battle with pancreatic cancer before his first design, the Hunt N Fisch, made it to the market. 100% of the net profits from this knife go to the Pancreatic Cancer Action Network in memory of Larry Fischer. Length: 3.00 inches, 7.62 centimeters. Thickness: 0.14 inches, 3.56 millimeters. Material: 8CR13 MOV stainless steel. Style: drop point. Finish: legality. Fixed blade knives carry. Big Daddy 80 CRV2 is a large, heavy-duty fixed-blade knife made by Sascha Krauser Knives. It is named after the type of steel used in the blade, 80 CRV2, which is a high-carbon chromium vanadium steel known for its good balance of toughness, wear resistance, and ease of sharpening. Length: 38 centimeters, 14.96 in. Thickness: 6 millimeters, 0.236 in. Material: 80 CRV2 steel. Finish: Mad Max blackened material, G10. Color: black. Size and weight: the Big Daddy 80 CRV2 is a large and heavy knife.